Hi, my name is Kurt Aspland, and this is my studio.
Hey.
Today, as we enter day 4...
Me?
What? Oh, sure, of course. Come on up, Sal.
There you go. Don't tell them what's in the video. Make them watch it.
Oh, it's a secret. It's a secret what we're going to draw today.
Yes.
Okay, well, hang in there. You'll find out soon enough. But in the meantime, hit subscribe, leave a comment so I know you did.
I'll thank them.
Oh, you will? Okay. Sal will get back to you, and thank you. All right, let's get on to drawing. All right, so we're going to quickly review from the last couple days.
All right. Let's see what you got here.
First thing we learned to draw was a sphere.
Yep, we made an ice cream out of that.
And then we learned to draw a cone.
And we added a cone to make an ice cream cone.
And then we learned how to draw a cube.
Yep, box of watermelon.
So those are your 3 really basic volumes.
Only 3?
From here on out, we're going to combine those volumes.
Combine them like a recipe.
And create some new shapes. New volumes.
A cylinder?
So the first one I want to show you is a cylinder.
Ah, I called it.
We'll draw that with a round at the top.
Yeah.
An oval. Bring down your sides.
Yep.
And you want to curve the bottom.
Yeah, get that curve.
Let's try that again.
Yep, try it again. Curve like a hot dog, I think.
Start at the top.
Yep.
Get a nice round oval.
Drop the sides. Curve the bottom. We got it.
It's almost like a hot dog shape because it's really long.
How do I do that?
And then straight lines down the side.
Man, I'm a genius.
And curve the bottom.
But wait. And now a word from our sponsor.
Whoa! Hey, if you're liking this video, make sure you subscribe right now below so I can keep making more. You got this.
All right. Let's subscribe, everyone.
All right, next thing we want to draw would be a wedge shape. We looked at the cone, but the triangle can also be very angular. So we're going to start off with a triangle at the top.
Yep.
Drop our sides. All of the sides should be equal length.
Reminds me almost of a piece of cheese.
And then we're going to connect the bottom. And this is a wedge.
Maybe I can catch some ice.
Now we could draw the wedge from many different angles. So here's another angle.
Whoa.
Start off with a diagonal line.
Yeah, diagonal line. We got that.
Another line going up. And then a straight line.
Yeah, straight.
We want to connect those two so you'll see it like a slight triangle on the side view.
Oh, I see it. Yep, nice wedge. You know, that wedge.
Go back and connect the ends.
It's a useful tool from what I hear. It's like that looks like an axe head almost.
So this is another angle for a wedge.
Yep.
All right, let's draw our big birthday cake today.
Oh, birthday cake.
Our 3-layer birthday cake. We're going to start off with an oval like we did before.
It's my birthday. It's my birthday.
Drop the sides. Curve on the bottom.
All right.
Now this next oval, we're going to draw around the base.
Yep. Make it around there. Can we make a fish cake?
And then we're going to drop the sides.
Have you ever had a fish cake?
And we're going to curve the bottom. We're going to do it one more time. Draw an oval around the bottom.
That's a big cake there. I love it.
Drop the sides. And then curve the bottom.
Ooh, 3 layers.
3-layer cake. What do you think, Sal?
Man, I say make it
Sal,
more.
how many layers do you think you could draw?
Oh, I would go to 5 or 6. I'd like to see that done.
All right, let's add a little candle on the top. A little fire on the candle.
Yeah. Light that candle, baby. Bring in the people. Let's start singing.
Some frosting on the side.
Yeah, don't hold back on that frosting. We all like frosting.
All right, let's draw a slice of cake over here. So we're going to start with a straight line.
Yep.
2 sides.
Nice slice of cake there, bud.
Just like a wedge again.
Yep.
Some frosting on the back.
Oh, yeah. Strawberry frosting.
And there you have
Wow.
your slice of cake.
It's a piece of cake. Oh, yeah. Drawing is a piece of cake. Just takes practice.
Now I'm just going to add some small decorations here.
Yep. Nice decorations there.
So these are your basic volumes. We have the sphere, the cone,
Check.
the cube,
Check.
the cylinder,
Check.
and the wedge.
Check. That's the trifecta.
And we will use these in all types of combinations of drawings. So you definitely want to keep practicing these shapes.
Yep. Over and over.
All right, that should do it for today.
Nice job.
Keep practicing those birthday cake drawings and make sure you leave a comment, subscribe,
Subscribe.
and let me see what you do.
Yep. Send it to us.
Any final words, Sal?
I think it's time to eat a piece of cake. Yum.
Well said, my friend. Well said. All right, have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.
Ciao.